Hello and welcome to another ASE Tech Tips screencast. The focus of today's screencast is to show you how you can use the ASD Educational Video Library to add YouTube videos to your iPad or iPod. Right now, the way that our security is set up, iPods and iPads have student access, meaning they can't get to youtube.com. So if you have a video that you think that has educational value for your students and something that they can use, I want to show you how you can do that. First thing you need to do, you need to go to YouTube and you need to find that video that you like or you want to use. So here I have one of my videos I made on using guided access on the iPod. So again, if you haven't watched this one's great. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to grab this URL. I'm just going to right click, copy, and I'm going to go to Internet Explorer and I'm going to go to my favorites, and underneath the favorites in Internet Explorer is a bookmark called ASD-EVL, which stands for Educational Video Library. And this is what the screen looks like. The first thing you need to do is log in. And the login for this is going to be your school computer login. So last name, underscore first name, and then your normal password that you would use to log in. Okay? And then it's going to say, basically, you're logged in. So I know that because it says log out up here now. I'm going to go to submit a video. And it says enter the full URL of the video you'd like to add. Again, I have this URL that I copied previously. I'm going to go into here and I'm going to right click, paste, and I'm going to get the video. The neat thing is the EVL already brings forward all that tagged information from YouTube. So it has the title. You should put what category it falls into. I'm going to say technology. You might have a math video or whatnot. And because I'm using this for staff development, it's going to be a pre-K through 12 range for teachers. Tagging is a very important thing. I'm going to tag this ASD Tech Tips. I'm going to keep it all smushed together, no spaces. Okay, you can separate tags with commas. You should use a tag that's going to allow your videos to be found. You might want to use your last name. So I'm going to put an adverb after my last name. You might want to put, if it's a grade level video, you might want to put Pioneer First Grade as a tag, or PI1, or whatever, some kind of tag. You can put notes if you want, and then you need to enter in your email address. Oops. Okay, you don't have to worry about notifying when you're approved because all the videos are pre-approved because we use your login and we know that you're professionals and we'll only add videos that have educational value. So we're going to hit submit video, and it says my video is successfully added, is now available in the library. If I go up here in this search function and I type in that tag ASD Tech Tips, I will see every video that I have added that have been tagged. If I type in my last name, it's just going to be this one if I didn't tag it. We have some teachers at Cormier. Carrie Wigman specifically has been using this function with her kids, and she takes her videos with Cormier. We have a bunch of cool videos that are added. So now these videos are accessible from students from student-level machines. So if they're on netbooks, they can go to this page, they can type in Cormier, whatever your tag is, and they can watch these videos. It's also open on the iPad. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. I'm going to click here on my iPivo. Here's a picture of my iPad. Okay, swiped unlock. On your iPad, first thing you need to do, the easiest thing to do, is to open up Safari. And in the Google search, I know this is a little bit hard to see, I'm going to search as Schwabenon EVL. And the first hit, Educational Video Library. Okay, I'm going to open that link. And you can log in, but you don't have to log in. You can just search for video. So if I click in here and search for video, if I search for ASD Tech Tips, here are my videos. Now, if I had a bunch of math videos I wanted available here, I could tag them, if I'm a first grade teacher at Pioneer, I might tag it PI1 Math, and I get all those lists of videos. Now, here's the cool thing. If I click on this arrow and square up here, I can add this to my home screen, and then hit add. And now, on my home screen, I have this new thing that I can call whatever I want. I call this one videos. So I can have the students open up the iPad, click this video home screen button. It'll go right to the EVL and have those videos available for students to use. Okay? It's a pretty cool feature. It's a way for students to be able to watch educationally approved and appropriate YouTube videos on iDevices as well as netbooks or other devices. The other neat thing, if you add videos to the EVL and you want to show them on your projector, you don't have to worry about any of the advertisements that YouTube has or the follow-up videos afterwards. This puts it in a safe place so you can just play it. When it's finished, it just stops, and it's a great tool to use with your students. So again, it's the Ashwaubenon EVL. Please try to use this. If you have any other good ideas to use it, let me know. If you have any problems with submitting videos, school do it, or send me an email and I'll try to work on it for you. Again, I think this is an awesome tool to get educational value via video to your students on their student level devices. Thanks and have a great day.